सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।
Hello friends, I am Aditya and welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Legal. Question number 1. The Criminal Procedure Code ensures that answer principle of separation of powers of each limbs of the state is not breached. Question number 2. Section 6 of the CRPC defines answer classes of criminal codes. Question number 3. When an offense is bailable, answer a person has a right to released on bail upon arrest. Question number 4. As per section 273 of CRPC, how an evidence is to be taken? Answer when personal attendance of the accused is dispensed with in the presence of his pleader and in the presence of accused. Question number 5. If a woman sentenced of death is found to be pregnant, the High Court shall order the execution of the sentence. Answer: if thinks fit, commute the sentence to imprisonment for life. Question number 6. Under which section of CRPC the procedure when investigation cannot be completed within 24 hours has been described? Answer: section 167. Question number 7. What is provided by the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973? Answer: A and B. Question number 8. As per section 2 clause C, a cognizable offence is answer option A, where a police officer may arrest without warrant. Question number 9. Section 100 of CRPC refers to answer option B, search. Question number 10. Is there any maximum period for which an under trial can be detained under section 436A of the CRPC? Answer: yes, half of the maximum period of the imprisonment specified for the offence. Question number 11. Presumption of law is answer option C, mandatory and irrebuttable. Question number 12. In Selvi's case, the Supreme Court of the India examined the constitutionality of tests like narco-analysis, polygraph and brain mapping on the touchstones of answer Article 20 Clause 3 and Article 21. Question number 13. According to the Law Commission of India 69th report, Section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act is based on answer option C, doctrine of confirmation. Question number 14. Section 99 of the Indian Evidence Act says persons who are not parties to a document or their present representatives in interest may give evidence of any facts tending to the show a contemplation agreement varying that the terms of the documents. This is based on the principle. Answer option A, pacta territory ni nongte ni porcenton. Question number 15. Burden of proving that person is alive who has not been heard of 7 years in own home. Answer option B, one who affirmed it. Question number 16. The court's discretion of permit leading questions is confined only to matters which are answer option D, all of the above. Question number 17. The question is whether A murdered B mark on the ground produced by a struggle at or near the place where the murder was committed and relevant facts under. Answer option A, section 7. Question number 18. Section 93 of the Indian Evidence Act treats the patent ability as answer option B, equitable. Question number 19. A promise or set of promises forming consideration to each other is known as answer option C, agreement. Question number 20. A past consideration under Indian law, answer option B, valid. Question number 21. Caveat emptor means answer option A, purchaser behavior. Question number 22. Consonance ad idem means answer option D, meeting of minds. Question number 23. Agreement is restraint of marriage is. Question answer option C, void. Question number 24. A tells B, the shopkeeper gives Jet the goods, I will see you paid. This contract is answer option D, indemnity. Question number 25. A contract to perform the promise or discharge the liability of a third person in case of his default is a contract of answer option A, guarantee. Question number 26. He who does an act through another does it himself is a contract of answer option C, agency. Question number 27. When at the desire of the promiser, the promisee or any other person has done or abstained from doing something or does or abstained from doing something or promises to do or abstain from doing something, such act is absentees or promise is called a answer option B, consideration. Question number 28. X owes Y rupees 20,000, but this debt is bared by the limitation act. X accused a written promise to pay B rupees 15,000 on account of debt. This is answer option C, valid. Question number 29. When a negotiable instrument is delivered conditionally or for a special purpose as a collateral security or for safe custody only and not for the purpose of transferring absolutely property therein, it is called answer option D, escrow. Question number 30. Which one of the following is promissory note when A signed the instrument? Answer option A. A promised to pay B or order rupees 10,000 on demand. Question number 31. Transfer of Property Act applies to transfer. Answer option B, inter vivos. Question number 32. A transfers property of which he is the owner of B, in trust for A and his intended wife successively for their lives and after the death of the survivor for the elder son of the intent marriage for life and after his that for A's second son the interest so create for the benefit of the elder son. Answer option A does not take effect. Question number 33. A transfer of an interest in a specific immovable property for the purpose of securing the payment of money advanced or to be advanced by way of loan and existing or future debt or the performance of any engagement which may give rise to a pecuniary liability is called option C mortgage. Question number 34. A lease of immovable property from year to year for any term exceeding 1 year or reserving a yearly rent can be made only by a answer option D registered instrument. Question number 35. A specific performance of contract can be ordered at discretion of court. Answer option A. When the act agreed to be done is such the compensation in money for non-performance will not be given sufficient relief. Question number 36. Under Section 9 of a Specific Relief Act, the person against whom the relief is claimed may plead by the way of defense of any ground which is available to him. Answer option B. Under any law relating to contracts. Question number 37. The following contract cannot be specifically enforced. Answer option A. A contract the performance of which involved the performance of the continuous duty which the court cannot supervise. Question number 38. A sells a TV to a minor who pays for it by means of a check. A endorses that the check to X take it in the good faith and for value. This check was dishonored on presentation. X can enforce payment for the check. Answer option C against A only. Question number 39. Who has the authority to prescribe qualifications and disqualifications for the membership of a bar council? Answer option B. Bar Council of India. Question number 40. Indian Council of Legal Aid and Advice BCI cases deals with the issue of answer option D prescribing age bar on enrollment of advocates. Question number 41. For transfer of role from one state to another, an application is made to the answer option A Bar Council of India. Question number 42. Which of the following committees cannot be constituted by the State Bar Council? Answer option D Legal Education Committee. Question number 43. In which year by an amendment of the Code of Civil Procedure Section 89 has been included in the code which gives importance to mediation, conciliation and arbitration? Answer option A 2002. Question number 44. Under the Arbitration and the Conciliation Act, an arbitration agreement may be in the form of, answer option C, an arbitration clause in a contract or in the form of a separate agreement. Question number 45. And decision by the arbitral tribunal that the contract is null and void shall, answer, not until impose jury the invalidity of the arbitration clause. Question number 46. The arbitrational tribunal shall not be bound by the, answer option A, Code of Civil Procedure 1908 or the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Question number 47. Claim made by the defendant in a suit against the plaintiff, answer option C, counterclaim. Question number 48. Interpleader suit is dealt with in which of the following section of CPC? Answer option B, section 88. Question number 49. As required by section 80 CPC, the suit can be instituted after the expiry of dash of notice. Answer option B, 2 months. Question number 50. Under section 2 clause 2 of CPC, rejection of the plaintiff is, answer option A, decree.
Question number 51. Ratilal versus State of Bombay is a popular case on the point of, answer option D, doctrine of separation. Question number 52. Pick out the case under section 58 clause 1A in which arrest or detention in a civil prison is not maintainable. Answer option C, a judgment debtor where decretal amount does not exceed rupees 2000. Question number 53. A precept seeks to dash of the judgment debtor. Answer option B, prevent allegation of property. Question number 54. R90 of Order 21 deals with, answer option B, post sale irregularities causing substantial injury to judgment debtor. Question number 55. The place of suing in the suit for partition will be, answer option C, court within whose jurisdiction the entire property of a family is situated. Question number 56. Appeal against a decree or order can be filed in a high court within, answer option A, 60 days. Question number 57. Where before the expiration of the prescribed period for a suit of application is respect of any property or right, an acknowledgement of liability is respect of such property or right has been made in writing signed by the party against whom such property or right is claimed or by any person through whom he derived his title or liability. Answer option B, limitation shall be computed from the time when originally the signature has been given. Question number 58. The period of the limitation for an action by a principal against his agent for movable property received by the latter and not accounted for is, answer option B, 3 years. Question number 59. Which of the following is a ground recognized under the Companies Act for automatic adjournment of the general meeting? Answer option A, absence of a chairman of the meeting. Question number 60. Which of the following meetings can be called by members? Answer option D, special meeting. Question number 61. Which of the following powers can be exercised by the board of directors without holding a meeting? Answer option C. Power of make loans. Question number 62. Which of the following is not a ground for compulsory winding up of a company? Answer option C. Non-holding of an annual general meeting. Question number 63. Putting or attempting to put a person is fear of death or grievous hurt in order to commit exhaustion of dealt under. Answer option A. Section 385 IPC. Question number 64. F invited C to have a fix of his heroin. Each filed his own syringe and injected each other several times one night. Next morning, F dead. On the question of the caution, answer option D. C is neither guilty is possessing heroin, not the death of F. Question number 65. Literally, mens rea mean. Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 66. In which of the following cases mens rea is not an essential ingredient for offense under? Answer option B, public nursing. Question number 67. Actus non factum rerum nisi mens sit re means. Answer option D, uncommitted manner. Question number 68. Cheating and thereby dishonesty in conducting delivery of property or making alteration or destruction of a valuable security is dealt under. Answer option A, section 417 IPC. Question number 69. Etymology. What is meant by jurisprudence? Answer option D, knowledge of origin. Question number 70. What is the mean by the term of journal law? Answer option D, A and B. Question number 71. According to the theory of social altruism and propounded by. Answer option B. The essential body of legal rules is always based upon the social facts of law. Question number 72. A mother A is mother of B. She become a widow and remarriages. B dies. Can A succeed to him as mother? Both are Hindus. Answer option C, depends on their school. Question number 73. Referring to section 6 of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, the Supreme Court observed that the words after him does not mean after the life of time the father. Indeed, it means in the absence of his father is non-functional as guardian for various reasons like indifference, physical or mental incapacity away from the place where the child lives with the mother. By mutual understanding, it may be treated as the absence of the father, in which case. Answer option B, Sarla Mutkal case. Question number 74. By a recent amendment, the daughter of a comprehensive by birth become a corporational is her own right in the same manner as the son, which is amended. Answer option B, the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. Question number 75. Samim Ara versus State of UP related to. Answer option A, the condition precedent for a Muslim husband for rendering divorce is the pronouncement of divorce, which has to be proved on evidence. Question number 76. The provision under the Industrial Dispute Act 1947, which guarantees the right of workmen laid off to claim for compensation. Answer option A, Section 25C. Question number 77. The number of persons required from trade union. Answer option B, 7. Question number 78. The temporary closing of the workplace or suspension of the work at work placed by the employer is known as. Answer option B, lockout. Question number 79. Which of the following acts has a direct relevance for grievance handling practices? Answer option D, all of the above. Question number 80. Section 10A of Industrial Dispute Act refers to. Answer option A, voluntary reference of dispute arbitration. Question number 81. Wages under Workmen Compensation Act. Answer option A, includes a privilege or benefit which is capable of being estimated in money. Question number 82. Writ of certiorari is issued against. Answer option A, lower court or quasi judicial bodies. Question number 83. Audi alterum pardum means. Answer option B, here other side. Question number 84. The second Administrative Reforms Commission is constituted. Answer option C, 31st August 2005. Question number 85. The types of damage awarded in the law of tort. Answer option B, unliquidated damages. Question number 86. AIBE versus White is an explain of. Answer option C, injurious in denouement. Question number 87. The Supreme Court of India invoked the principle of absolute liability on an enterprise carrying on business with hazardous and inherently dangerous toxic chemicals in. Answer option A, Ganga pollution case. Question number 88. Re-ISPA liquidator means. Answer option A, things speak themselves. Question number 89. A motorcycle with engine capacity not exceeding 50 cc may be driven in a public place by a person. Answer option C, after attaining the age of 15 years. Question number 90. According to the Consumer Protection Act, the National Commission shall have jurisdiction over complaint where the value of the goods or services and compensation, if any, claimed exceed rupees. Answer option B, 10 lakhs. Question number 91. New states are created under. Answer option D, Article 370 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 92. Doctrine of pleasure with reference to civil servants is mentioned under. Answer option D, Article 310 of the Indian Constitution. Question number 93. Right to know flows from one of these articles of the Constitution. Answer option B, Article 19. Question number 94. Freedom of trade, commerce and intercourse throughout the territory of India is mentioned under. Answer option C, Article 301. Question number 95. Passive enthusiasm under certain circumstances is permissible, held in the case of. Answer option A, Arun Ramchandra Sangbag versus Union of India. Question number 96. It was held by the Supreme Court that the balance between the fundamental rights and the directive principle of the state policy is the bedrock and the basic structure of the Constitution? In which case? Answer option B, Minerva Mills versus Union of India. Question number 97. K.C. Gajpati Narayan Deo versus State of Orissa is often quoted with reference to. Answer option C, doctrine of colorable litigation. Question number 98. Raja Rampal versus Honorable Speaker Lok Sabha deals with. Answer option B, privileges of the legislature. Question number 99. Under Article 1 of the Constitution, India, that is Bharat, shall be. Answer option B, Union of State. Question number 100. A minister cases to hold office if he does not become a member of the legislature within 6 months is mentioned under. Answer option A, Article 164 Clause 4. सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबा दें ताकि आपको सारी अपडेट्स मिलती रहें।